Today's weather report. This is what we're going out to shoot in today. Of course, these phones they really do a good job of making it look a lot clearer than it actually is. But we're having a huge snowstorm with wind blowing and stuff, so we're still gonna go out and do some photography today. We'll be taking the Canon 81 out, and with Delta 400, I'll see you later. I'm gonna have a coffee first and warm up, and then out we go into this. So hang in there, stay tuned. We'll have a video coming to you tonight, hopefully. Take it easy.